My name is Daniel Vaswani, and I'm the lead attorney at Virtuoso Criminal and DUI Lawyers. Today, I'm going to start off a series of videos that actually support this one specific topic, sentencing enhancement. Now, let me tell you the truth. There are some enhancements that are completely not allowed to be stricken, and some that are. It is so incredibly effective for your attorney to have a right place by which to stage an attack to potentially cause that enhancement to not be imposed. But I gotta warn you, it's often difficult for attorneys to actually make that happen. And enhancements operate in two different ways. For example, there are status enhancements. What those are is when a court increases the punishment as a result of your criminal history. Those can be things like strikes. Those can be things like prior convictions. Those can be things that you did in the past that now affect your newest case. And in some situations like a strike enhancement, what that means is that you're now facing double the amount of time that you were once previously facing as a result of having a prior strike conviction in the past. In the case of something that most people know is DUI. A first DUI is treated differently from a second DUI, and even differently from a third and a fourth and so on. Those are effectively status enhancements. Whereas conduct enhancements differ because what they affect is the specific conduct at the case in hand, right? In fact, in some situations, if you commit a crime and you use a firearm, you can be charged with a personal use enhancement of that firearm. Now, the reason why that's relevant is that that specific enhancement can add a series of years to the overall sentence that you see. Now, let's say there is no legal basis to get the case dismissed. Let's say, in fact, that you're in the role where you are now negotiating a plea disposition with the courts. If you don't have qualified counsel, sometimes they might be stuck when they come to the position of actually finalizing the case. What that means is that sometimes the DA's office may not reduce the charges or may not strike certain enhancements that you must plead to. And some of those enhancements, in fact, if you're pleading open to a court, allowing the judge to make a decision as to what that sentence should be, cannot be stricken pursuant to California Penal Code Section 1385, which gives the court the power to strike certain enhancements in the interest of justice. Keep in mind that certain enhancements can turn offenses that are otherwise not life offenses into potential life offenses. In these series of videos that I create, you will have an idea as to how each enhancement works, the amount of time that is associated with each specific enhancement, and how the courts have power potentially to either strike those enhancements or negotiate a different enhancement with the district attorney's office in the plea negotiations. And sometimes that can give your attorney the most power that they need in order to make a significant impact on the amount of time that you potentially see in very serious cases. If you know anybody facing criminal charges that may be dealing with complicated issues like this, please share this video with them.